A weather impact alert day is in place for today, Monday, December 29th, as we are tracking some strong winds. Wind gusts possible around 50 miles an hour, so please expect power outages, expect damage, but also please take it slow out on the roadways. Look at this throughout this morning, afternoon, and throughout this evening. Those winds are staying strong. So we're tracking some strong winds. We're also tracking some colder temperatures and some snow. Here's right around lunchtime. You can see widespread snow showers throughout the area, but notice those feels like temperatures staying cold throughout the entire day. Feels like temperatures pretty much staying in the single digits and also into the low teens. But one place I do want to focus on, if you live along Lake Erie, especially further out towards the islands, we could be seeing waves around 15 feet in height. But if you live along the western basin of Lake Erie, the water actually can be pretty low because of that breeze pushing all that water towards the east, where the levels could be around 4 to 6 feet. So yeah, very low water levels for the western basin. But check this out, these temperatures are staying cold not just for today, but for the next 10 days. We're seeing temperatures below freezing in the 20s and the 30s from now all the way into the beginning of January. And of course, for the latest updates, download the WTOL 11 Weather app.